We Group T is going to discuss is it acceptable for humans to deliberately cause environmental problem for the convenience of humanity. The environmental value system is an ideology or set of values and beliefs about the environment. It's the way of how we see and value environmental issues from different viewpoints. It can be grouped into three categories along the following continuum: ecocentric or ecology-centered, anthropocentric or human-centered, and technocentric, technology-centered.
What's ecocentric? Ecocentric means that all living things deserve to live, so their value is not judged by how human can use it. They are valuable because they play an important role in a greater environment. So, as an example, strip mining. It harms the environment, but is also beneficial to the humans. But ecocentrics will argue that it is harmful for the environment, so this is immoral.
Next, we move on to anthropocentric. Human beings are the central or most significant entities in the world, which manage the environment for use of future human needs. Any species that are of potential use to humans are a resource to be exploited. The examples of anthropocentric are overexploitation of fossil fuels and forest degradation for building materials. There are some of the disadvantages, such as wasteful use of resources may deprive future generations for those resources.
Now, I want to talk about the technocentric. Technology can help and protect our environment. Besides that, technology can also evolve to fight against the climate change. Next, technology can also increase our living standard while not neglecting to solve the environmental problem. Now, I will talk about the example of technocentric. Solar panel and windmill are used to supply the power. Besides that, technology can also use to remove excessive carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. Next, technology can also use to solve the plastic pollution through the genetic modified mechanism.
Therefore, humans should not only regard the need of the present generation of humans in the use of natural resources, but we also need to consider the needs of future generations. Exploitation of natural resources should be carried out in an efficient and long-term way because they are not infinite. Clearly, we can see there is a trade-off between humans and natural resources.
So, is it acceptable for humans to deliberately cause environmental problem for the convenience of humanity? Well, what we get is a no from ecocentric viewpoint and a yes from both anthropocentric and technocentric viewpoints because of their respective ideology and reasons. To conclude, there is no correct environmental value system actually. Both environment and quality of life should be taken care. The former should not compromise the latter, and vice versa. That's all from our group. Thank you.